Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, Chainlink has reacted to the support area already yesterday. We saw that here. This micro support area was a nice jump off point. I mean, we already observed it on the weekend, but it did gain more and more momentum yesterday. Not so much today, actually. And I see the move up as a corrective rally. There's a lot of overlap in that structure. It doesn't really look impulsive, at least not yet. It might turn into an impulse, but we want to see a break above the resistance area in this case. Overall, I'm still tracking an overall bullish scenario on the Link chart with key support at $6.90. It shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. What I want to communicate is that another low is likely, especially as long as we stay below $11.93. This is the 78.6 retracement of the decline, of this decline that happened between the 26th of August and the 6th of September. So this is the decline, and we have labeled this as wave A in yellow, and the B wave bounce is likely going to reach the area between 1089 and 1193. It's just a standard resistance area in yellow wave B after the price reacted to the Fibonacci zone here. And in addition to that, based on the microstructure, it seems plausible that within yellow wave B to the upside here, the price reaches $11.32. So we've got the golden ratio level there at 11.31, and 11.32 is the 100% extension target based on the internal structure of this move up. But this is questionable because, as you can see, you can't see anything. The microstructures in here are extremely, let's say, unreliable. So I'm not very convinced about the 100% extension target there, because it's getting very choppy, and those microstructures, you just see too many distortions on the 1 hour chart, or even lower when you're talking about or when you're dealing with an altcoin chart. But overall, the short-term trend still seems to be up. We've already reached the 50% retracement level there, so pretty much you could say the first target is reached, the first resistance level here of this resistance zone is reached. The price could go higher, it doesn't even have to, and I'm on high alert for a potential start for wave C to the downside that you see there, which could take us closer to 690. A break below the Friday low, which formed at $9.33, would be a good indication that wave C to the downside has started, and we can calculate a target for wave C once we have a confirmed top for wave B. And we can also, because an A wave and a C wave, they often have the same length, and the C wave should be a 5-wave move, so it should look like that. Just let me change the color. And yeah, if we see the first wave down, which would be wave 1 to the downside in yellow after wave B is complete, then the next rally, which would be yellow wave 2, could even act as a short trade setup. But at the moment, I'm not convinced that this yellow B wave has topped. It could still stretch a little bit higher. The resistance area was mentioned. Also pay some attention to the trend line that's coming down there. Is a bullish scenario possible? Absolutely. I mean, that was one of the reasons why we actually had this orange support region on the chart, but it's not convincing, the price action. And if we go higher in white wave 3 there, you see it, then the price should move up also in an ABC structure, which is going to be difficult to manage and track and trade, because circle 1 in white was also a 3-wave move. So at best, we're dealing then with a diagonal pattern, and it will be difficult to confirm that really a substantial low has formed on the 5th of August. But we can use, you know, resistance levels and so on to track it, and a break above $11.93 would make me possibly lean towards the white wave count, which would be then bullish. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.